Hey friends, Mike Carlin's here, standing in front of another bank-owned property. This is a really cute townhouse condo. This is over in, I would call it Western Greenbrier over in Chesapeake. So this one is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,886 square feet, priced at $256,000. Let's go take a look. Alright, so when you first walk in here, you can see there's a ceramic tile, just a small little ceramic tile foyer, but they have replaced the carpet throughout. Looks like all brand new carpet everywhere. Walk in, you kind of got it's just like a dining room area, kitchen to your right, and you can see that the kitchen, we've got granite countertops, some nice white cabinets here. You've got sort of a simulated wood looking floor. I'm thinking this is the vinyl plank. They do have some stainless steel appliances. You've got the gas stove with microwave on top, stainless steel dishwasher. There's just doesn't seem to be a refrigerator in here. And there's a nice 1-car garage, and you can see they've painted the floor and the block there, so that looks really nice and neat and clean. And pull downstairs, maybe there's some storage up there. I don't feel like climbing those, so I'm not going to check those out today. Walking through here opens up into a nice family room, and you can see that there's a fireplace there. Looks like that'd be a good spot for the TV, or maybe on this wall here. So here's the downstairs half bathroom. And then you go into the master bedroom downstairs. See, it's got access to the backyard too. Closet there. Decent sized bedroom. Nice finish on the ceiling there. And then goes into the master bathroom, where you've got the shower to your left here, and then you have a jetted tub. I don't know if you can hear me echoing a little bit. It's got a nice high ceiling in here, so that's a little echoey sounding. Let's go take a look upstairs. Again, there's new carpet throughout. Looks like they've touched up the paint everywhere. You step up at the top of the stairs, you're in this nice loft area where you're overlooking the family room downstairs. 2 skylights provide plenty of light. And then you have a full bathroom right here. And then a nice decent sized bedroom, not huge, but not too small. Similar size, decent size, not too small. Yep, and you've got a cute little backyard here. Really nothing to maintain. You see they've got some stones down. And of course it is a condo, so the grass up front does not need to be maintained. So if you'd like to take a look at this home or any other homes throughout Hampton Roads or Northeastern North Carolina, give me a call or shoot me a text today. I would love to set up a time to meet with you and show you the home of your dreams.